Hello, friends. In our class today, we are treating direct variation, and the question says Q is 16 when P is 4, and Q is directly proportional to P squared. Find P when Q is 24. Q is directly proportional, okay, to P squared, which shows that Q is equals to CP squared. This C is called constant of proportionality. The question says Q is 16 when P is 4. So let's insert that here. We now have 16 to be equals to C, then P is 4 squared, which is the same thing as 16C. So 16 is the same thing as 16C. It shows therefore that C is equals to 16 divided by 16, which is equals to 1. Okay? Now, question says I should look for the value of P when Q is 24. Okay, so let me solve it here. Q is 24. I want to look for value of P, but I know my C to be equals to 1. So let me use this relationship. I will now have 24 to be equals to 1 times P squared. So it is now the same thing as 24 to be equals to P squared. When you have problem like this, you find the square root of both sides. You now have root of 24 to be equals to root of P squared. This square root will take care of this square. It will now be ordinary P. So P is now the same thing as root of 24, which is the same thing as root of 6 times 4. You know, 6 times 4 is 24. We now have our P to be equals to 2 root 6. Here is my answer. 2 root 6. Okay? When I leave it in this form. Thank you.